This is children's Tylenol for fever and pain, and ages for 2 to 11. And they give it a pound, 24 to 95 pounds. So when to use it? It will reduce fever and temporarily relieve mild to moderate pain. And you got headache, muscle sprain and strains, toothache, teething pain, common cold and flu. So the active ingredient is acetaminophen. You're gonna make sure that you never overdose this medicine, because if you overdose, it possibly can cause liver damage or severe liver damage, depends on how much you overdose. So you must follow the instructions. So let's open the package. And you see here is a little cup. It's labeled really clear how much you should take. And this is the berry flavor. It also got all different flavors. Just choose what your children's like. So let's open here. It says that it got more information to know. Alright, here is the instructions that it give you how much you should take. And here it said that single dose may be repeated every 4 to 6 hours as needed, but do not more than 5 doses in 24 hours. Just keep that in mind. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.